In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Display. After that, scroll all the way down, select Font, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!